Hey, quick question for you. Have you ever felt like everything was going well with a woman, and then suddenly her energy changed? She started replying slower. She seemed a little distant, and you had no idea what happened. You replay the conversations in your head. You wonder if you said something wrong. You start overthinking every small detail. Now listen carefully. If you skip this, you'll keep losing her, and you won't even know why. Most men think attraction fades because she met someone else. That's not usually the reason. Attraction fades when you unknowingly change your energy. The moment you start seeking validation, becoming too available, or trying too hard, the dynamic shifts, and she feels it instantly. Because attraction isn't about effort. It's about emotional control. It's about presence. It's about knowing your value without needing to prove it. So what should you do instead? First, slow down. Don't react emotionally. Give space instead of pressure.